This video was shot with a single camera shot and no overdubbing. Enjoy. A lot of people think that hand tools are much safer than power tools. They think that you cannot hurt yourself with a hand tool and that power tools are inherently much more dangerous. Though it is true that careless cut can be significantly worse with a power tool, the concept that hand tools are a good way to remain free from injury is a fallacy of logic. Both hand tools and power tools are designed to cut through material. One must remember that your hands and other body parts are a material that are effectively cut by these tools. Power tools just suffer the concept of doing it much faster and indiscriminately. Recently, I have been working more with hand tools, trying to refine my craft. As a result, I'm making mistakes that I don't normally make with my power tools. I found that I have been a little bit more careless than I should be, and small but somewhat painful injuries have occurred. While using a Japanese backsaw, I carelessly cut my finger trying to guide the blade. I learned that just because the saw was powered by my own arm doesn't mean that I could automatically and instantly stop the second that I noticed there was a problem. In reality, I finished the stroke even though it hurt. I also carelessly touched my thumb with the blade after I completed a cut. I had pulled the saw away from the wood and moved it to the side and ended up touching my thumb, leaving behind 3 or 4 pinprick holes in the skin. This touch was real light, but it reminded me how sharp these saws are. In the end, the lesson I relearned was that I must be 100% present and continue to pay attention while doing woodwork, even while using hand tools. Remember, the most powerful tool that you have in your entire shop is your brain. This is where I cut my finger with the backsaw. It actually hurt quite a bit. Though the presentation of this video is intended as humorous, the concept I discuss here is 100% serious. You must always be careful when working with any tools that cut. Finally, just remember, after every woodworking project, you should always count your fingers. You end with 10, good job.